Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can landscape one page in this Microsoft Word document. If you notice right here, we have 5 pages. So I want to put one of the pages in landscape, right? So what I wanted to do right here, I put the cursor right here. You come up here, click page layout. Some of you might have layout only, right? So my version, this is what it have. I have 2 options. I can come right at this last button here and click. All right, and this is where I wanted to come. All right, I can actually come right here, margin again, go down to custom margin. Notice I end up at the same place. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here, so landscape. I'm going to come right here, notice apply to all document. I'm going to click and say this point forward. As soon as I finish that, I'm going to click on OK. If you notice, page will come landscape. You notice, rest of the page is portrait. All right, you notice, very important. Yes, this is how you actually do it. So what if you want to add a portrait right underneath these? What do you do? All right, you're going to scroll up. So when you scroll up, you come right here and click. Now when you click now, right, you go back a margin, custom margin, and then you click right here on portrait, and then you come right back down a section here, and then you're going to set this point forward like that. And if you notice, this is set to the portrait, right, and this over here is a landscape right here. Right, and I'm gonna put something inside of into my name is John. All right, now I have this document here. What if I wanted to turn this document here into landscape? All right, I can come here and can black the text in it, and I can actually come back here and click. Now you notice, click on landscape. I come right here. Notice it's a selected text right here. If I select and say selected text and I come like this, you notice the page become landscape. Yeah, it's very important. So these are some of the way you can actually do landscape and portrait in the same document right here. It's very important and how you can actually do that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.